Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we will enhance a resume layout using custom shape dividers. Start with a fresh A4 documents. Select the custom shape tool and open the line category. Choose a minimal divider line shape. Drag it across the top section of your resume. Change its stroke color to charcoal gray. Duplicate the line for section title. Resize each line to match the section width. Align them neatly with the text blocks. Add a smaller line beneath each heading. Adjust opacity for a modern soft style. Create balance between text and divider spacing. Add icons inside heading if needed.